Since we talked about commissions, so it's very important to understand that it's important to take commissions, because this is one more way to harvest another stream of income. And there's nothing wrong with it, especially if you disclose it to the client. So if you have it in the contract and you communicate about it, you're transparent about it. If they have any kind of questions about it, you can always answer them. I have had like a huge discount for one of my clients, but because I loved her so much, I liked her so much, I actually gave her the discount instead of taking it to myself. So it really depends on the situation. And I feel like clients need to be nice to us, because I know what we want to make them happy. And if they make us happy too, then we will reciprocate. I think most of the designers would do the same thing. So we already talked about how the commission works. So it's usually a percentage. So again, if you buy a sofa and you get it like for $2,000, you can get, for example, a 10% out of it for your purchase. So you might have $400 in your pocket if they give you like 20% or 15% or however much they give you as a discount, or you can add it to be your own percentage. Make sure you always ask in any shop that you're about to shop in, make sure to ask if they have a designer's program. Make sure that you understand how much it is and to share it with the client on a detailed breakdown. There's always the offering options, so you can pass some of these discounts to clients if they are new or if they have a big project or if you just like them, to foster goodwill. The benefit of charging for commission is that it gives you a revenue stream, yes, but it also enables you to offer like lower prices in the beginning, so you can have a more competitive price in the market, because you'll also be earning commission. That means you'll still have profitability. Best practices: always disclose any commissions or financial incentive to clients, and consider the balance between profit and client satisfaction when deciding how much discount to pass on.